Dear students, research scholar and faculties of different colleges and universities. In this video, we will discuss acquisition procedure of free geospatial data from NRSC and USGS. Before starting the videos, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that at the end of the video you will be able to answer the quiz question correctly. The link has been given in the description drop down menu. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. At first, we will get knowledge about NRSC or Bhuvan portal. In Google, we will write Bhuvan, then enter. You will find the Bhuvan Wikipedia. Welcome to Bhuvan ISRO Geospatial Gateway of India. In this portal, actually bhuvan.nrsc.gov in. Okay, click on it. Then you will see the Bhuvan portal, Indian Geo platform of ISRO. Then you will find this type of portal. Here Bhuvan 2D, Bhuvan 3D, Open Data Archive, Climate and Environment, Thematic Service, Disaster Management, Ocean Service, Create a Map, GIS, in this different tab. And in this tab you will click on Open Data Archive. Then you will find this page and you will need to log in first. Welcome user, login. If you do not able to log in, then first you select the satellite or sensor, radio button, or theme and products, then program and project. In this way you select sensor, then sensor, which sensor you will need, then Cartosat. In first Cartosat 1, OceanSat 2, ResourceSat 1 or ResourceSat 2, List 3, Hyperspectral image, Cartosat 1, ResourceSat 1 or ResourceSat 2, AWIFS. All these sensors images are available here. Then you should choose the right option. Suppose you will choose the list 3, then list 3 image or satellite image you will be able to find here. Then how to download it or how to acquire the free geospatial data. Technical documents you will get here, ResourceSat or list 3. Here list 3 ortho rectification process, ResourceSat 1, ResourceSat list 3 data user handbook. You can download all these portion freely and you will get knowledge about this. In the next bottom or next dialog box area you will find bounding box, map sheet, tiles, interactive drawing. Actually, for getting the data in a particular area, we should use any one of these. Okay, if we select the bounding box, then mean longitude, maximum longitude, mean latitude, maximum latitude we will have to put here. If we do not know the what are the latitudinal or longitudinal extension of a particular area, then we can click on map sheet. Then enter the topo sheet number. Here we should enter the topo sheet number. We do not know what is the topo sheet number of this particular area, so then you click on tiles. Then you find the particular area where it is open. Then you click here in a particular tiles, select particular tiles, and then you can easily download the data. Or interactive drawing, you can draw a particular, here all the direction are written. Click start button to select tiles and double click to stop. Click stop button to deactivate the control. In this way you can select any particular area of your interest. Okay, to download satellite image from Bhuvan, first select the satellite or sensor radio button, then click on list 3, then bounding box. Suppose the place of interest minimum longitude is 85 degree, maximum longitude 85.25, minimum latitude 25.5 and maximum latitude 25.75. By using the bounding box, we can select the particular place of interest for downloading the satellite image from Bhuvan portal. Now click on select. This particular box or tile box will select, then click on next. Then after clicking on next, you will be able to see the entire satellite image of that particular box area from date here 27th November 2009 to 9th March 2018. Now we should select the metadata or check the metadata. Here all the information are path number, row number, number of tiles, that is topographical map number. Here G45N 02. This is the particular topographical map number, and here the coverage area, upper left, upper right, lower left, box corner. Here all the relevant information has been given. Now click on view. Here the thumbnail view will appear this particular area, and the false color combination light image will appear a thumbnail view. Then click on download. By clicking the download, you can easily download this particular satellite map or satellite image. But before downloading, before clicking on download button, you should first log in the page, and after login only you can able to download the data. Then click on download, then you will be able to see the download option and the map satellite image automatically getting download. Suppose here you are clicking, your download is start now. If your downloading is not started, click on here, but we are looking that the zip file format has been downloaded here. Click on this portion. By clicking on this portion, on this tab, you will be able to see the tab. You can extract this and you will get the 4 different bands of the satellite image. In this way, if we know the latitude and longitude of a particular study area or particular area, then we can download the satellite image. But if we do not know the bounding box latitude and longitude, then we can click on topomap sheet number. Here suppose the topo sheet number is G45N02. Then you will be able to see the entire satellite image which has been given here. You can view the thumbnail view. This particular portion has been selected, and also metadata, and then by clicking on download you will be able to download this satellite image. Now in the button, tiles button, you can select the area of your interest. Here suppose you want to select this particular area. This is the Kolkata. Then clicking on start, then select the map of area of Kolkata, and you need more than one grid. Then click the particular grid by clicking this particular grid with shift from your keyboard. You will be able to select more than one tiles as you like. And in this portion, click on next button. Clicking on next button, you will be able to see the entire satellite image of this particular area. Here 9 grid has been selected, so you will be able to see the 9 satellite image of different dates. Here the 9 grid, and clicking on next, you will be able to see entire satellite image from date to date, that is 23rd November 2009 to 16th January 2018, and you are able to see all these satellite image with particular date. Now if you want to select by interactive drawing, then start and draw the particular polygon of your selected area. The tiles will be automatically selected, and then clicking on next, you will be able to see entire satellite image of different dates. In this way, you can easily download the free geospatial data from Bhuvan portal or Indian Geo platform of ISRO. Now, general idea about the USGS portal. Now, write on USGS in Google, then USGS Earth Explorer. Click on earthexplorer.usgs.gov. Then the Earth Explorer page will appear on the screen. Then you need to log in, but before login, see the different tab. Here the search criteria, here the data set, here the additional criteria, here the result. But without searching criteria, we cannot active the additional criteria. So go to the search criteria, then here you will see the path row and features GNIS, but here you will not see the city or place of interest. If you log in the portal, then you will be able to see the city or place. So at first we need to log in. Click on login. If you had already registered this page, then the sign in page will appear, then click on sign in. Otherwise, create a new account and fill up a form. Simply register yourself with a particular email and password. I had already registered here, so I am clicking on sign in. Okay, then I already logged in here. Okay, now if we click on here, this address and place tab will appear. Okay, then address and place, here the Kolkata, just write here Kolkata, show. Click on show. Then Kolkata, West Bengal latitude and longitude button information tab will appear. If we want to download the satellite image from USGS, then you need login first. After login this particular portal, then search criteria geocoder. You will be able to see three different features. First, GNIS, Geographic Name Information System. Then use the world feature. Clicking on country, you can select the particular country which you want. Here the India. And feature class, you want to area feature, administrative boundaries, hydrographic feature, road, railways, spot feature, etc. And in this way you can select all types of features. By easily download the satellite image, you can also place address and place. Clicking on address Kolkata, you can show the portion Kolkata on your map shown by the USGS portal. Now if you want to path row information, then write the path and row number in particular box. To retrieve the path and row number, please visit my earlier videos. Here in this portion, suppose the path number 141 and row number 042. 141, path number 141 and row number 042. Then click on show. Then partner will appear on the screen. Now here it will be a polygon type, and then result option data range. You will need the range here. Suppose 2005 January 1st to 2006 January 1st, and search the month, all month or selected month. First uncheck all, then click on January, July and September. Okay, then click the data set. You want to select the sensor satellite Landsat. First click on Landsat collection. Here on demand Landsat collection level 1, clicking on here, click the Landsat 7 and then clicking on result. You will see the result will display. Then clicking on this particular icon, show the metadata and browser, you will be able to see the metadata. Particular metadata is the data about data. You can see the metadata of this particular satellite image. We will see the land cloud cover. Here 42% land covers in. See the another, here the January 4, what will be the percentage of cloud cover here. You can see by clicking different satellite image. All the information has been given: datum, WGS 84, ellipsoid, map projection. All the information has been given in the metadata portion. Here land cloud cover 1, scene cloud cover 1. So we can easily download this portion for our purpose. Then close the metadata portion, then click on the download option. This particular icon you can see download option. Click the download. Click on download tab, then you will see the different new dialog box. Here the different types of image has been given. You need level 1 GeoTIFF data protect. All are not useful for our purpose. We need level 1 GeoTIFF data. It is 244.91 megabyte MB. So click on download. Then it will automatically start downloading. In this way we can easily download the satellite image from USGS portal, and it will be helpful for our different purpose. To complete the download, you have to spend a little bit of time, and after finishing the download, you will be able to use the satellite image for your different GIS software purpose. Now, download has been completed. After completing the downloading process, zip file, then extract the zip file. After extracting, you will be able to see the different bands of satellite image, and this satellite image can be opened in different GIS software. In this video, we discussed about introduce with NRSC or Bhuvan portal, data acquisition procedure from NRSC or Bhuvan portal, introduce with USGS portal, and data acquisition process from USGS portal. Important instruction: watch the video class minutely and answer the quiz question correctly. Quiz link has been given in our website theqgeo.com or directly in the description drop down menu, or the link has been given in the video. Thank you again from QGeo, the online school of geography.